I just came back home from my in-person meeting with a web design client. So I saw this new coffee shop opening up on the way to my gym, and I just went inside and asked if they have a website. And I already knew that they don't have a website, but still I wanted them to say that they don't have a website so I can pitch my service. So what I said is, I can help you out with setting up the website and social media and Google My Business page, and I can increase your local ranking with search engine optimization. And after 2 more visits and couple of back and forth on the prices, I got the cash, and I got for 400 on the cash and 340 in my bank account. So I can't show you my phone, so I'm recording this video at the phone. I have to quickly go somewhere. I'm just making this quick video to tell you that it's possible. If you only think about making money and getting clients in your service, I don't care if it's web design, social media, like whatever it is, you have to get clients to sell the service. Client acquisition is the most important skill. If you don't have the skill, even if you have a high income skill like let's say web design, if you can't sell your service to your client, you won't get paid. You're learning a service to get paid, not just to learn the service and jump around to one business model to another business model. And just by constantly thinking about how to make money and how to get clients, even if I'm walking to the gym, I made 740 pounds. I'm pretty sure I'll be making an in-depth video on client acquisition strategy for web design and social media, so make sure to subscribe.